Stress is something we all experience. Deadlines, responsibilities, and unexpected problems can make your mind race. Stress can both help and hurt your creativity. Today, we'll explore how stress affects your creative thinking and how to use it to your advantage. 1. What is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to challenges. It triggers hormones like cortisol and adrenaline to help you react quickly. A little stress keeps your brain alert and ready to solve problems. Without stress, we often feel unmotivated or unfocused. 2. Stress can boost creativity the right amount. Moderate stress increases alertness and problem-solving skills. Tight deadlines sometimes push you to create your best work. Stress helps your brain connect ideas faster and see patterns you'd normally miss. It can also help you notice small details others might overlook. 3. Too much stress hurts creativity. Excessive stress floods your brain with cortisol. High stress reduces flexible thinking and makes it harder to generate new ideas. You may feel stuck, anxious, or scattered instead of creative. This is why chronic stress can make even simple tasks feel impossible. For the Yerkes-Dodson law, performance and stress have a sweet spot. Too little stress equals low motivation. Too much equals overwhelm. Optimal stress is enough to focus your mind and spark innovation. Finding this balance is key for creativity, work, and personal growth. 5. Stress shapes your focus. Moderate stress filters out distractions and improves attention. This helps you concentrate on creative tasks. Excessive pressure scatters your focus and reduces efficiency. Knowing your limits lets you use stress strategically, not destructively. 6. Deadlines and creativity. Deadlines create urgency that can inspire new solutions. Artists, writers, and inventors often produce their best work under time pressure. But constant deadlines without breaks lead to burnout and block creative thinking. Short, intentional deadlines often produce better results than unlimited time. 7. Stress and brain networks. Stress affects the main brain networks. The default mode network fuels imagination and daydreaming. The executive control network manages planning and focus. Balanced stress helps both networks work together to generate creative ideas. Imbalance causes mental blocks and reduces problem-solving ability. 8. How to harness stress for creativity. Step 1. Identify your stress level. Know when it's motivating or harmful. Step 2. Take breaks to refresh your mind. Even short pauses help. Step 3. Use stress as a challenge, not a threat. Step 4. Pair pressure with freedom. Give yourself room to experiment. Step 5. Celebrate small wins to reduce tension and increase confidence. 9. Mindset matters. How you perceive stress changes its effect. Viewing stress as an opportunity rather than a threat turns pressure into creative fuel. A positive mindset reduces anxiety and helps you think clearly. It encourages you to take risks and try new ideas without fear of failure. 10. Either take away. Stress isn't inherently bad. It can sharpen your mind and increase creativity if managed wisely. Too much pressure blocks ideas and drains energy. Finding your optimal stress level and giving yourself space to recharge is key. Use tools like journaling, meditation, or walks to manage stress effectively. Creativity thrives when stress is balanced. Use pressure strategically, manage it smartly, and unlock ideas you never imagined. Remember, stress is a tool, not an enemy.